Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ujwala and I am soon to be a second year BMS student at the Indian Institute of Management, Sirmaur. So before starting this video, I would really like to share an incident with you. So what happened today was I got a mail from one of a parent and that parent said my kid could not make through this year IPMAT Indore में, even though my kids studied for 12 hours every single day and इस साल हम उसे drop लेवा रहे हैं. That parent said suggest some strategies that he can use in his drop year to improve his score and everything. And also I got a very good news from my little brother Rishabh. For the context, I would like to tell you that last year I gave I Am Sirmaur ka interview and Rishabh also gave I Am Sirmaur ka interview and I got to know him interview ke through ही. So we used to discuss about what questions can be asked, what questions teachers पूछ सकते हैं and everything, and I could make through last year but Rishabh could not, so I felt really bad for him last year. But last year he took a drop, okay, and he prepared for IPMAT Indore, and this year he had scored 220 marks in IPMAT Indore and in JIPMAT he has scored 305 marks. He was the only one who suggested ये पूरा video का topic, also thought about it. I was about to make this video but I think this is the very right time to post this video. Now that you are a dropper or if you are somebody who is going to give the exam next year, here are the things that you need to follow straight away. No BS, literal no BS. You are in class 11th or 12th and you are aiming for IIM Indore, Rohtak, Ranchi, Jammu, Sirmaur, Bodh Gaya. You already know this is not something you can leave to chance. Now ask yourself, will school academics or a one-size-fits-all coaching batch actually prepare you for a paper like IPMAT with its mix of aptitude, logic, speed and competition? The honest answer is probably not, because IPMAT is not about studying hard, it's about preparing smart with guidance that understands the exam inside and out. That is exactly what PW IPMAT Kaksha 2026 is built for. See, this is not a mass batch where you are just one student among hundreds. Here, every class is capped at just 50 students. So what you get is focused individual attention, live two-way doubt solving and personal mentorship from actual IIM alumni who have cracked what you are aiming for. Now you get 400 plus hours of live concept focus lectures with 50 full-length mock tests, 40 plus chapter-wise tests and a 5,000 plus question practice bank. Along with that, you get 100 plus DPP. You get complete syllabus coverage for IPMAT Indore, Rohtak and JIPMAT, premium recorded lectures from IPMAT 2025 and you get a free access to the complete IPMAT 2026 crash course. You will get 4 professionally designed hard copy study modules shipped to your address. The program is priced at Rs 24,999 only, and to get an additional discount of Rs 5,000, you can use the coupon code IPMK5000 which is mentioned on the screen. Now to join the Kaksha, go click the link in the description box. Let's move to the video. Very first thing is IPMAT Indore के लिए prepare करोगे तो रोहतक के लिए भी prepare कर रहे हो, JIPMAT के लिए भी prepare कर रहे हो, okay? So make sure कि तुम एक अच्छे level पे prepare करो. You are preparing JEE CAT के questions, solve JEE के questions, solve CAT के questions, solve SSC के questions. भी similar pattern के exams है ना, उनके questions solve करो. Please solve those questions. जितना high level पे questions करोगे उतना अच्छा होगा, because you will be able to solve IPMAT very easily, IPMAT exam very easily. Even Rishabh did this. For algebra he did solve JEE के questions, and I also mentioned in the resources वाला video that you can go for algebra, you can learn from certain specific teachers that I mentioned जो JEE के लिए ही पढ़ाते हैं. So that is what I mentioned, that if you study थोड़ा high level के लिए you will eventually be able to make through छोटे मोटे exams से सारे, okay? Other than that, secondly, सबसे ज़्यादा important चीज़ जो है वो है practice. It's very important. More number of questions you solve, the more easy it gets for you. Also makes you realize your own strategy, where you are good at, where you are weak at. ठीक है. Thirdly, please, मॉक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तुम्हारा सिलेबस कभी ख़त्म नहीं होगा, लेकिन तुम्हें मॉक्स देने बहुत ज़रूरी हैं. आफ्टर बोर्ड्स के मॉक्स बहुत अच्छे हैं. I am not sponsoring them at all. I'm not sponsoring them at all from the very beginning of the channel. I have mentioned that because अच्छी चीज़ है, I'll mention it, okay? For afterboards, okay? Their mocks are really good. Go for them. And the resources, practice as many mocks as you can and then analyze them. तुम्हारा फ़ायदा क्या है मॉक देने का? मॉक देना सिर्फ खुद को संतुष्टि देने के लिए मॉक देना नहीं होता है. You need to give mocks in order to know कि तुम कहाँ पे वीक हो, और कहाँ पे तुम सही हो। देखो क्या होगा, तुम्हें पता चलेंगे वो एरिया जहाँ पे तुम वीक हो। अब उस एरिया को एनालाइज करो कि कितना पोर्शन वो तुम्हारे एग्जाम का लेता है। इफ इट इज दैट पोर्शन विच इज नॉट देयर, लाइक यू कैन नॉट सी इट, ज़्यादा बार PYQ उसमें इतना रिपीट नहीं हुआ है, सो यू नीड नॉट टू वरी। इन केस ऐसे पोर्शन में अच्छे हो जो बहुत मेजॉरिटी कवर करता है एग्जाम की, टू मेक श्योर कि तुम उसमें परफेक्शन हासिल कर लो जब तक तुम्हारा एक्चुअल एग्जाम होता है। ओके, नाउ ऋषभ ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी दिस दैट उसने ज्योमेट्री लास्ट तक की ही नहीं थी। ओके, बट ऑन द डे ऑफ एग्जाम ऑल्सो वो क्वेश्चन बना पाया था। यू नीड टू नो वेर यू आर गुड एट, योर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट्स एंड मेक देम स्ट्रॉन्गर। ओके, रिलेशन के पीछे मत भागना, अपनी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करने के पीछे भागना, बिकॉज IB-MAT इंदौर दोगे, उसके बाद तुम IB-MAT रोहतक भी दोगे और JIP-MAT भी दोगे, तो वहाँ पे तुम्हारी स्पीड बहुत मैटर करती है। ऑल्सो यू नीड टू नो कि कौन से क्वेश्चन, जो भी क्वेश्चन तुम सेलेक्ट कर रहे हो वो कैसे क्वेश्चन है। आर दोज क्वेश्चन ईजी? यू नीड टू नो कि तुम एक्यूरेटली ईजी क्वेश्चन पिक कर रहे हो। फॉर दैट यू नीड मॉक्स, एंड मॉक्स आर द ओनली सोल्यूशन टू दैट, okay? You need to practice as many mocks as possible. किसी कोचिंग सेंटर पे रिलाई मत करना, किसी दीदी भैया पे रिलाई मत करना, मेरे पे रिलाई मत करना, किसी पे रिलाई मत करना। रिलाई ऑन योर सेल्फ, go sit and practice as many questions as you can. जितने मटेरियल कर सकते हो उतना मटेरियल करो। Please have a backup plan. Please have a solid backup plan. Don't go blindly after one college. Have a solid backup plan. तो कहीं ना कहीं तुम्हारे बैकअप द हेड ये रहेगा कि ठीक है, अगर इंदौर नहीं हुआ मेरे पास एटलीस्ट कुछ है। Lastly, don't listen to people on Reddit और YouTube itself जो तुम्हें कॉलेजेस के बारे में ज्ञान दे रहे हैं। ओके, अगर वो वहाँ के एलुमिनाई नहीं है, if that person has never set foot in that place. Secondly, if that person has never been to those colleges before, don't listen to them. उनके पास कोई एक्सपीरियंस होता नहीं है, वो बोली बातें होती हैं जो वही आके तुम्हें सुनाएंगे। ओके, जिनकी तरह तुम्हें बनना है उन लोगों को फॉलो करो। डोंट ब्लाइंडली फॉलो द पीपल ऑन यूट्यूब और ट्विटर और Reddit who are saying anything about any college, be it Christ University, be it any university, be it IIM Sirmaur, be it IIM Indore, whatever. Talk to the seniors who are there in the college and then get to know about the college better. Have solid backup plans. You'll be able to make through. For a quick summary, focus on your speed, focus on accuracy, focus on making your strong areas strongest, okay, and take those areas to perfection and not the completion of the syllabus, okay, and this way you'll be surely able to make through. With that being said, shout out to Rishabh for helping me out with this video, and also to all of you who are going to apply next year, all the best to all of you, and I hope this video helped you out. If there is something that I was not able to cover in this video, or if there is something that I missed out on, please do correct me in the comment section, and yes, I would love to reply to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe.